सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति 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 ही।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। Dear friends, today we will be finishing the 15th story, entering into the 16th story of this Kakolukiyam. Adya Panchadashi Katha Samaptimisyati Nunam Achiradeva Shodashim Kathamaphi Drakshamah. तथा पूर्वं किञ्चित् स्मारयितुम् इच्छामि। अत्र इयं पञ्चदशी कथा केन कथ्यमाना वर्तते, केन कथ्यते इति। स्थिरजीवी, पुनः स्थिरजीवी, स्थिरजीविना राजानमुद्दिश्य मेघवर्णमुद्दिश्य इयं कथा कथ्यते. So Sthirajivi is the narrator and Meghavarna is the listener here. And the oldest minister, wisest minister of Meghavarna is narrating the story. How he managed and what were the conditions under which he worked hard, etc., to achieve the goal. So that is what it is. So 229 poem done, Srinivas. And he says on page 516.
Yeah.
So this is all said by so yes, Tirajivi is still speaking. Now we go. We have done up to the 229 that poem. Tasma sarva prayatnena trivarga nilayam buddha atmanam adrutaha rakshet pramadat hi vinashyati. So a wise man should protect by all means his interest. Trivarga nilayam. Life is meant for this. Atmanam adrutaha, being very alert about the self. He should, being alert, adrutaha, jagrutaha bhutva, atmanam rakshet pramadat, from all danger. Rakshet one should, and pramadat he, if he is negligent, out of pramada, vinashyati. Man has a downfall. That is where we stopped. Adyatanaha varga sankhya.
चतुर्विंशदुत्तर शततमः वर्गः.
Chaturvimshaduttara Shatatamaha Varga, 140th class today. Sadhu Chedamuchyate, from there. Yeah, Santapayanti.
संतापयन्ति कमपत्यभुजं नरोगा दुर्मन्त्रिणं कमुपयान्ति न नीतिदोषाः कं श्रीर्न दर्पयति कं न निहन्ति मृत्युः कं स्त्रीकृता न विषयाः परिपीडयन्ति.
So the minister says, Santapayanti kam apatya bhujam. Kam apatya bhujam rogaha na santapayanti. Kam is an interrogative word, as we know. Kaha kauke kam kaukan kam purusham. Kidrusham purusham apatya bhujam. Apatya bhujam. Patya bhujam means one who eats the beneficial food, the food which is earmarked for him. Patya, which is beneficial food. Apatyam, like we have this word used in Ayurveda, Srinivas. Patyam.
Yeah. Yes.
Patyam means that which is to be shunned, avoided. So, apatya bhujam, avoided, avoidable food, unwholesome food, as it is said. Yaha kam purusham, apatya bhujam purusham, rogahana santapayanti. That person whom do not the rogas, the diseases, trouble, santapayanti, which person who takes unrecommended food, what do you call, wholesome food is not, that means which person who consumes unwholesome food is not troubled by the diseases. That is the meaning. Kam apatyabhujam purusham rogahana santapayanti means sarvamapi apatyabhujam purusham rogaha santapayanti pidayanti iti artha. Yam kamapi apatyabhujam purusham rogaha avasham santapayanti. So if you take the balance, the specified diet, wholesome diet, then you will not be touched by the diseases. Idea is that. So he is driving home. The main point is second line. Durmantrinam Rajanam Kam Durmantrinam, understood Rajanam na niti doshaha santapayanti. Santapayanti is commonly taken here. Again, Kam is there in the second line. Kam Durmantrinam Kam Rajanam. Which king? That king who is having Durmantri, bad ministers with him. That king who is associated, who is united with Durmantri, Dustaihi Mantrivihi Yuktam, Durmantrinam, Kam Durmantrinam Rajanam Niti Doshahana Santapayanti. So if a king is always united with the Durmantri, Durmantrana for that matter, a king has to be counseled in the proper way. If he is not counseled by his ministers, and if he is badly counseled by bad ministers, then niti doshaha, there will be so many defects in the implementation of the policies. So niti doshaha, the policy matters, the defects in the policy, they trouble that king also. So a king is also troubled, in other words, by being wrongly counseled by his wrong ministers on the policy matters. That is the second.
Excuse me, sir. This line, the verb is upayanti. Kam upayanti niti dosha.
Okay, yeah, Durmantrinam. Yeah, that is also there. Durmantrinam kam upayantina niti doshaha. So upayanti na samagachanti. I have taken that santapayanti. I did not look at that word only. Unless you told, I am not looking at it. Anyway. Kam durmantrinam niti doshahana upayanti na samagachanti. Kam shrihi na darpayati. Kam purusham iti adhyahagutam. Shrihi lakshmihi na darpayati na garvayati. Which person to which person does not which person is not made to be proud. Darpayati, this is nijanta, niche prayoga. Drup dhatu Srinivas. Darpayati means garvayati. Kam purusham shrihi lakshmihi sampad na garvayati na darpayati. Which person is not made proud by the onset of Lakshmi, Shri. That means money comes, then arrogance comes. They say, na? With money, darpa comes, arrogance comes.
Dhanagarvam.
Ma kuru dhanajana yavana garvam. Let us say that. Ma kuru dhanajana yavanam. Dhanagarvam, janagarvam, yavanagarvam. So dhanagarvam tatra bhavati eva. So shrihi nama dhanam. Kam purusham shrihi sampad dhanam na darpayati na garvayati. Kam purusham na mrutyuhu. Kam purusham mrutyuhu na nihanti. Whom does not the death kill? Does death has any reservation? I will kill only this particular people and not kill this. No. Kam purusham mrutyuhuna nihanti namarayati. Kam stri krutana vishayaha paripidayanti. Kam purusham punaha. Again, the same way, kam purusham. Stri krutaha vishayaha. Vishayaha means the matters relating to stri, women. So in that means all men are prone to this kind of suffering in life. Sometimes it happens. Kam purusham stri krutaha vishayaha. Matters relating with regard to the women. You take the classical example of Ramayana.
Yeah.
Sita was what do you call abducted by Ravana, and Rava was put to all suffering. Suffering was there for Ravana, suffering was there for Rama also. Draupadi was insulted in the Mahabharata story, and there was suffering for the Kauravas, there was suffering for the Pandavas because of Stri. So, in that matter, whatever may be the thing, two classic examples are with us. Kam Purusham Stri Krutaha Vishayaha, matters related to the women, na paripidayanti, do not trouble. That means all men are subject to undergo some problem with regard to women when it comes to women. So money comes, arrogance comes. Mrityu has no discrimination; it kills everybody. And a king who is with his Durumantri, he will not be implementing right policies. So like that he says, and he is also going ahead. Next sloka.
Yeah. दुग्धस्य नश्यति यशः पिशुनस्य मैत्री नष्टक्रियस्य कुलम् अर्थपरस्य धर्मः विद्याबलं व्यसनिनः कृपणस्य सौख्यम् राज्यं प्रमत्तसचिवस्य नराधिपस्य.
So finally, he is driving home this point. Last, Rajyam Pramatta Sachivasya Naradhipasya. That is important. So, Lubdhasya Nashyati Yashaha. Very simple stanza. Lubdhasya Purushasya Yashaha Nashyati. Yashaha means fame, Kirti. The Kirti of a Lubdha Purusha, that is a greedy man, goes away. You know, a greedy man will not be achieving yashas in his life. He may be otherwise popular, but not yashas, he will not come. So, Lubdhasya Purushasya Yashaha Nashyati. Pishunasya Maitri. If a man is very, Pishuna means, doing all sorts of wicked things. Pishuna is literally, telltaling, talking ill about people in their absence. That is Pishunatvam. So, Pishunasya Purushasya Maitri Nashyati. So nobody will be a friend to a fellow who goes on telltaling, carrying stories on our behind. Pishanaha. Wicked fellow, thereby wicked in. But literally, the job of a Pishana is to talk ill of a person in his absence. So Pishanasya Maitri Nashyati. Nashtakriyasya Kulam. Nashtakriya means one who has lost, who has no interest, who has lost doing the righteous things, kriya, religious or any righteous things. Nashtakriyasya kim nashyati, kulam nashyati, his family will be. So a man who does not do virtuous activities, then his kula will be nashyati, kulam nashyati. Arthaparasya dharmaha, a man who is always after money, only after money, artha para. Artha itself is para for him. Artha eva param yasya artha para. One who is money minded, in other words, man who is money minded, tadrushasya purushasya dharmaha nashyati, his dharma will be lost. So, see, by doing dharma, you get artha. And when you get artha, you are supposed to do again, come back to dharma. The thing here is beautiful,
Yeah.
Silva. You won't get artha without doing dharma. So you do dharma. You do dharma in a dharmic way, you get artha. And then you again come back to perform dharma. Dharmas are performed only by artha, and that artha is obtainable only through dharma only. So there is an interlink there. And one who is not coming back to artha, dharma, performance of his charitable works, then he is only artha paraha. He is only deeply interested in making money, not spending. There are so many people who are very, very much given to making money. Spending aspect they never think of. Even for their own good, they don't spend. I have seen such people. So the dharma is lost. Vidya, there is a mistake here, Srinivas.
Sir.
Vidya Balam is there. Na? These two words are one only.
Oh.
It is a Samasta Pada Vidya Phalam, not Balam. That ba is, I think, a misprint. I have checked in other readings. Vidya Phalam, the fruit of having Vidya. Vidyayaha Phalam, Vidya Phalam. Vyasaninaha. Vyasaninaha Purushasya Vidya Phalam Nashyati iti. So a man who is given to Vyasana, all bad habits, Vyasaninaha Purushasya Vidya Phalam Nashyati. A man is highly educated, imagine, very learned, but he indulges in Vyasanas. Then that Vidya Phala will be lost. Vyasaninaha, Vyasaninaha Purushasya Vidya Phalam Nashyati, not Balam.
Even Vidya also will get spoiled.
Yeah,
Right?
Vidya Phalam, the very
It's not
Phala, the
practicing.
purpose. That is one.
Swadhyay, if it is not done, then within 6 months he will lost everything, right?
Yeah, by the, yes, true. So, Vidya, not Balam, Vidya Phalam Nashyati Vesaninaha. Vesaninaha is the Vesanin Shabda, Shashti Ekavachan. Krupanasya, everything is Shashti here. Lubdasya, Pishunasya, Nashtakriyasya, Kula, Arthaparasya, etc. So, Vesaninaha. Krupanasya, a Krupana miser. Now coming, the same thing is coming here from the second line. Krupana is a miser. So a miser's saukyam, happiness is lost. A miser will be always miserly and he will be losing his saukyam, comfort. And then Rajyam Pramatta Sachivasya Naradipasya. Pramatta Sachivasya Naradipasya Rajyam Nashyati. The Rajyam, the kingdom of a king, Naradipasya Rajyam, the kingdom of a king who is having Pramatta Sachivaha, who is having all, what do you call, idiotic ministers, Pramatta, unintelligent ministers, or you can say negligent, Pramatta.
Inattentive, yeah.
Inattentive, that is the word. Inattentive, inattentive ministers, a king who has got such pramatta, not apramatta, opposite is apramatta, alert, not being alert, unalert ministers, tadrushasya, naradipasya, bhupasya, rajnaha, rajyamapi nashyati. So, he has given in this poem, now how things get lost because of various reasons, starting from a greedy person, going to the king, not having good advisors.
Tad Rajan Asidhara Vratam Maya Acharitam Arisamsargaditi Yad Bhavata Uktam Tat Maya Sakshadeva Anubhutam Uktam Cha.
Now he acknowledged, Stirajivi says here, Tad, so therefore Rajan, O my king, O my dear king, Asidhara Vratam Maya Acharitam Arisamsargat iti Yat Bhavata Uktam Tan Maya Sakshadeva Anubhutam. Now he is acknowledging the statement given by Meghavarna earlier. Somewhere in the back, Meghavarna commented that it must have been Asidhara Vratam for you. Now the minister is remembering Sthirajivi. Asidhara Rajan, Asidhara Vratam Maya Sthirajivina, Acharitam. I underwent the most trying situation. Asidhara Vratam Maya Acharitam Anubhutam Arisamsargaditi, due to the association with the enemy, Shatru Samsargaditi, Shatru Sangaditi, yet whatever Bhavata Uktam, whatever was told by you, Tat, that Maya, by me, Sakshadeva Anubhutam. Whatever, O my king, you have said earlier that I must have undergone the most painful job like walking on the edge of the sword, that Maya Sakshat, in fact, it was directly experienced by me. Sakshadeva Anubhutam. It was it was experienced by me, directly by me, because it is said. Yes.
Apamanam puraskritya manam krutva tu prushtataha swarthamabhyuddharet prajnah swarthabhramsho hi murkhata.
Now, in this poem, the Niti, Rajaniti is also there. How a king should place himself while ruling over a kingdom. Apamanam puraskrite. In a situation demands, he says not a king, but here, manam krutva, prajna, that is the word here. Second line. Prajna, a wise man, an intelligent man. Apamanam puraskritya. By keeping apamana, insult before him. Apamanam, tiraskaram puraskritya. Keeping puraha krutya, puraha krutva.
Yeah.
Keeping the apamana tiraskara in front. Positioning, that means ready to face any insult. Insult is in the front now, puraskritya. Apamanam puraskritya manam tu prushtataha krutva. And keeping the mana, respect, in the back. Generally, every human being wants puraskara, apama, that, what do you call, mana to be puraskara. Isn't it? Puraskritya. Everybody wants his mana to be in the front, apamana in the back. But here the other way is putting. Apamanam puraskritya, placing first the apamana. That means one should be ready to face the insult first. And the so-called self-respect is their mana. That you don't mind, you keep it in the back. Manam krutva tu prusthataha swartam abhyuddharet prajnaha. A wise man, that means doesn't matter if you are getting insulted, doesn't matter if you are not treated properly, doesn't matter if you don't get recognition, if your recognition is trailing behind you. Swartam, but one should, prajna, a wise man should not lose sight of self-interest. Swartam abhyuddharet. He must look to gain the swartha. Why? Because he is laying emphasis on swartha. Swartha bhramshaha hi murkhata. Foolishness. Murkhata, foolishness, folly. Foolishness lies in losing one's swartha, one's own self-interest. It is the foolishness to lose one's swartha. One's swartha means one's objective in life, whatever may be the objective in life. So, swartha need not be taken in a restricted sense here, Srinivas. Swasya arthaha swarthaha. It could be the objective of his life, of one's life. Whatever a king or a man, on the other hand, has an objective, whatever objective he has in life, that should be kept up. Doesn't matter in the process if he gets so many insults, doesn't matter if he is not recognized in the process, but he should always go with his swartha and keep it up and achieve it. That is how you earmark your goal. Goal is important. That is what he says. Swartam, swartha bhramshaha hi murkhata. Because murkhata, foolishness, lies in losing one's own self-object. So, swartha bhramsha, swartasya bhramsha. Bhramsha nama nashaha. So, don't care about mana apamana. Then you achieve your goal. That is what this poem is advocating. Yeah.
Skandhenapi vahet chatrum kalamasadya buddhiman vahata krishna sarpena manduka vinipatitaha meghavarnaha kathametat sthirajivi kathayati.
So, Sthirajivi is still continuing here with another beautiful story inaugurating. Skandhena api vahet shatrum. Shatrum skandenapi vahet. When it comes to the reaching the target, reaching the goal, it doesn't matter if one bears his enemy on his shoulder. Skandenapi vahet shatrum. Doesn't matter if you have to lift your enemy on your shoulder. Kalam asadya, according to the time. Kalam asadya, kalam prapya. यदि कालः न सुमुखः अस्ति तर्हि शत्रुं स्कन्धे वहेत् इति तत्र अर्थः. शत्रुः स्कन्धेनापि वहेत् शत्रुं कालमासाद्य बुद्धिमान्. प्राज्ञः earlier said बुद्धिमान्. An intelligent man should, if time requires, bear his enemy on his shoulder, carry his enemy, and then the next line introduces the story. Vahata Krishna Sarpena, by a black cobra, black serpent, a black serpent carrying Vahata, while carrying Krishna Sarpena by a black snake, Mandukaha Vinipatita. Like in the story that we are going to read now, the 16th story, wherein a Krishna Sarpa, while carrying the Mandukas, the frogs on its back, while carrying them only, it killed them. So you kill your enemy, it doesn't matter if you have to carry him first and later you can kill him. That is what he says. Carrying in the sense bearing with here. You put up, you bear with your enemy. Doesn't matter even if you have to touch his feet or put him on your head, but later you can finish him. Like what? Krishna Sarpena Vahata Mandukaha Yatha Krishna Sarpena Vinipatitaha Maritaha. Then Meghavanna becomes, king becomes curious. Kathametat, how is this? Sthirajivi Kathayati. It goes on narrating.
Manduka Manda Vishasarpa Katha. अस्ति वरुणाद्रि समीपे एकस्मिन् प्रदेशे परिणतवया मन्दविषः नाम कृष्णसर्पः. स एवं चित्ते संचिन्तितवान् कथं नाम मया सुखोपायवृत्त्या वर्तितव्यम् इति. ततः बहुमण्डूकं ह्रदमुपागम्य आधृति परीतम् इव आत्मानं दर्शितवान्.
So entering into the Shodashi Katha, Upanta Katha. This is the last but one Katha in the story in the Tantra Kakolukiyam. Manduka Manda Visarpa Katha. The story of the Manduka's frogs and a snake by name Manda Vishasarpa. Asti, there was Varunadri Samipi on the western Ghats or western mountain. Varuna Adri, Adri means mountain. Samipi. In the western direction of the mountain, western mountain, whatever you say. Ekasmin Pradeshe, in some place. Parinatavaya, old, quite old. Parinatavaya, Vruddha, Vayaskaha. Manda Vishaha Nama Krishna Sarpaha. There was a black serpent, cobra, you can say black cobra, by name Manda Vishaha. Now, the writer is giving the name Manda Vishaha when maybe when the snakes become old, Srinivas, their Visha Prabhava, the power of their poison becomes slow in killing them. So that is why he said Manda Vishaha. The reason is given in Parinatavaya, because it has already attained sufficient age, became old. Sa Manda Vishaha, Krishna Sarpaha, that black snake. Evam chitte sanchintitavan. Chitte sanchintita. I like this prayoga. Chitte sanchintitavan. You think in the mind. Sa Krishna Sarpaha evam chitte manasi evam samchintitavan. He thought in his mind like this. Katham nama maya sukhopaya vruttya vartitavyam. How could I be living happily? Katham nama maya, by me. This is passive voice, maya. Sukha upaya vruttya. Vritti should be, how am I going to make a living how am I going to make my living a easy one? Sukha upaya vritti. Tritiya, sukopaya vrittya vartitavyam. How should I be doing an easy job? Something. I'm reminded of some joke there. Somebody asked somebody, he goes to some guru and asks, "Oh Guru, please show me some marga whereby I don't work hard. People only do their jobs and give me money. I should get money without working. People should do their work and give me money. Is there anything like that?" So this is a joke, something like that. Then the Guru said, yes, my bhakta, you go and open one Sulabh complex. They will come and do their work and go, you pay you also. Something like that here, a very crude joke. Katham nama maya sukopaya vrittya vartitavyam iti chitte sanchintitavan. Tata.
Excuse me, sir.
Then,
This prayoga, katham nama maya. What is this prayoga? Nama.
Nama, it comes, it has no meaning. Nama does not mean name. Kim nama, Vamanayanam, we use with nama means it is used as an avyaya only. How could? It can't be individually, separately translated. Nama means by name, etc. Like nu, sometimes avyaya, nu. Kim nu kalu? What could be? So nama comes in that sense here. Katham nama, how could, how can, etc.
Okay.
So katham nama maya. Now separately we can't give. Otherwise, mama nama, etc. That is also there.
It's like by which way I can do this.
Yeah, that is what he says. Sukopaya vrittya. How could a profession be practiced by me easily? If you say it is in passive voice. Moreover, maya vartitavyam is there. Maya sukopaya vrittya vartitavyam bhavitavyam. How could I be living happily? That is it. That is the meaning. So the tavyat pratyay is also there, bhave prayoga like. Then tataha, thereafter, bahumandukam hradam tadagam. So the Mandavisha Sarpa chose one, bahumandukam hradam, a lake which was having many frogs. Lake or pond, whatever you say, a pond which was having bahumandukas. Mandukam hradam upagamya. Approach. It went near to that. Here is, I think, this avagra is unnecessary, and adruti parita is also not correct, I think. In another book, in Kales, M.R. Kales book, he has not taken this avagra.
Okay.
So, hradam bahumandukam visheshana to hradam, a pond, saraha. Upagamya samipam gatva. The one reading is adruti paritam. Adruti paritam. Dhruti opposite adruti. Yes, he has given adruti.
Yeah.
If you break that avagra, adruti paritam means dhairya, adhairya yuktam. It means adhairya yuktam. If you don't take dhruti paritam means dhrutya paritam sampurnam. Paritam nama sampurnam, yutam. Dhruti means dhrutya paritam sampurnam. And moreover, this dhruti has several meanings in Sanskrit. Dhruti means firmly holding.
Yeah.
Dhruti means contentment. Dhruti means joy, happiness. So many meanings there. So what M.R. Kale has taken is dhruti paritam he has taken. Dhrutya paritam purnam. He has taken as if Purnam iva, Paritam iva. Iva means like, as if. It is not like, as if he was quite content. Drutya he has taken in the sense of Santosha. Druti Paritam iva. I am trying to explain again. Druti Paritam iva, Emarkale. Druti meaning there Santosha. Santoshena Purnam iva. That means as if totally content, happy. So this snake went over to a pond which had several Bahumandukas and stood there as if very content. I think this meaning is very, as if very happy. No complaints like. When you take Adruti Paritam, the sense is not coming so happily. So we'll change that. Druti Paritam, Santosha Purnam iva, Atmanam Darshitavan. So the snake went and showed itself, Darshitavan, Atmanam Darshitavan. It gave a look of its own self as if it was a very content, calm and patient and happy snake-like. So Druti Paritam we will take, not that. Atmanam Darshitavan. So it showed itself as if a very happy snake with no desires at all. Atha.
अथ तथा स्थिते तस्मिन् उदकपुरान्तगतेन एकेन मण्डूकेन पृष्टः हे माम किमद्य यथापूर्वम् आहारार्थं न विहरसि.
Yeah, then what happened? This snake, Krishna Sarpa, by name Mandavishaha, went to the pond and then gave a look there of itself as if it is very happy there. Atha, then Tata Sthite, it stood there like that. Tasmin Udaka Pranta Gatena, Tasmin Hrade, Tasmin means Hrade, in that pond. Udaka Jala Pranta Gatena Ekena Mandukena. So one Manduka, one frog which went into which was there in the water, it asked this serpent, Mama, Kimadya Yathapurvam Aharartam Navirahasi. So the frog asked here, Mama means uncle only. I think we Telugu people use the same word, Mama. Uncle here. Mama is uncle. Hey Mama, Kim Adya, what happened today? Yathapuram as usual, Aharartam na viharasi. Why are you not going about, my uncle? My uncle, as usual for food today, why are you so complacent, so peaceful today?
So Praveet, हे भद्र कुतः मे मन्दभाग्यस्य आहार अभिलाषः यत् कारणम् अद्य रात्रौ प्रदोषे एव मया आहारार्थं विहरमाणेन दृष्ट एकः मण्डूकः तद् ग्रहणार्थं मया क्रमः सज्जितः सोऽपि मां दृष्ट्वा मृत्युभयेन स्वाध्याय प्रसक्तानां ब्राह्मणानाम् अन्तरप्रक्रान्तः न विभावितः मया क्वापि गतः. I'll pause here.
Yeah, big paragraph here. See the stories, fabrication of story we call it. How the serpent is fabricating a story here. Saha sarpaha abravit avadat Bhadra, look my friend, Kutaha me varies to me, Kutaha me mandabhagyasya, me iti shashti, Kutaha me mama mandabhagyasya ahara avilashaha. How can there be desire for eating to me, unfortunate snake like me? Because yet karanam, because the reason is adya today ratrau, adya ratrau. What is this? It was adya ratrau pradoshe. Okay, could be that. Adya Ratru, today, uh, night. Pradosha means at the evening time. Today evening time, let us take Adya Ratrau Pradoshe. Srinivas?
Yeah.
Pradosha time is evening time only. So evening time, let us put together it should be. Today evening, eva maya aharartham virahamanena. While I was roaming around for aharartham, for the food, drushtaha ekaha mandukaha. Today evening only, I happened to, a frog was seen by me while roaming for food. Tad grahanartham, to catch that, tad grahanartham, tad tasya mandukasya grahanartham maya kramaha sajjitaha. So I prepared an attack to grab this snake, the frog. You know how beautifully they, we know very slowly the snake crawls, not to disturb the frog, The movement of the snake is so soundless, noiseless, it attacks. Even it is so with the, we see in the videos, in the channel Animal Planet,
Discovery.
the other animals also like tigers and lions, when they are about to hunt their prey, they move very slowly. They are so intelligent that they, at a particular point of time only, they take off. So this is what it is. Today only evening this happened. Tad grahanartham maya kramaha. Kramaha means attack. Sajjitaha was prepared. Attack was prepared. Saha api mam društva. Saha mandukaha api, that frog also, mam društva, looking at me, mrityu bhayena, naturally mrityu bhayena, swadhyaya prasaktanam brahmananam antah apakrantaha. And to my bad luck, the snake says, that frog having seen me with the fear of the death, swadhyaya prasaktanam brahmananam. So where the brahmanas were doing their swadhyaya, evening study, swadhyaya prasaktanam brahmananam antaha, it went into the group of brahmanas who were doing their swadhyaya, Veda Patana, apakranta, it escaped. When all the Brahmins were doing the swadhyaya, Patana, this frog entered apakranta into them. Na vibhavitaha maya, na vibhavitaha na drushtaha maya. So when it escaped into that group of the Brahmanas, na vibhavit, na lakshitaha maya, it was not noticed by me. Kvapi gataha, it went somewhere. Kutrapi gataha.
Yeah.
Kvapi gataha, you have to read.
Yeah. Tat sadrusha mohita chittena maya kasyachit brahmanasya sunorhrata
Adatata.
सूनोर्हृदतट जलान्तः
Jalantasto.
जलान्तस्थो अंगुष्टो दष्टः
Dashtaha.
तत असौ सपदि पंचत्वम् उपागतः.
Okay. Then what happened? What are the previous lines? The snake says to the frog that today evening only I saw it escaped into the Swadhyaya Brahmanas and I did not notice it. Tat sadrusha. So tat sadrusha means tasya mandukasya sadrusha. The frog which escaped into the Swadhyaya Brahmanas.
Yeah.
Tat sadrusha mohita chittena. My mind was confused, mohita. Seeing similar, tat sadrusha, tasya samanam, tena sadrusham, mandukena sadrusham, sadrusha mohita chittena. So, by seeing similar to that frog, my mind was confused, maya. So, by me who was confused by the similar look, kasyachit brahmana, you can take brahmanasya or it is a samasa. Kasyachit brahmana sunoho or kasyachit brahmanasya sunoho. It doesn't matter. You break or don't break. कस्यचित् ब्राह्मण सूनोः, सूनोः नाम सूनुः, पुत्रः,
Sutah.
सुतः, कस्यचित् ब्राह्मण पुत्रस्य ह्रदतट जलान्तस्थोऽङ्गुष्टः. What happened when that frog escaped into the Swadhyaya group? The snake happened to see some Brahmin's son's leg. Kasyachit Brahmana putrasya hrada tata jalantasta angustaha. The angustaha means what? The toe of the, some Brahmin boy was there in the water there, Srinivas. So his toe was looking like a frog to this snake. Putrasya hrada tata jala. Hrada tata means on the bank of the pond. Jalantasta angusta, jalantasto angustaha dastaha. On the bank of that pond, some Brahmin's son's angusta toe was seen, and it was mistaken by me. It was mistaken by me to be the frog itself. Tad sadrusha, I already said. Tad sadrusha. Tad sadrusha mohita chittena. So he says mohita chittena. And therefore, mohita chittena maya, tad sadrusha mohita chittena maya, brahmanasya kasyachit brahmanasya hradatata jalantasta angustaha dastaha. Kim dastaha? Angustaha dastaha. His toe, resembling the frog, was bitten by me. Now, come on, tataha, then asau, this fellow, sapadi panchatvam upagataha. Immediately that boy, Brahmana putraha, sapadi panchatvam maranam upagataha. He immediately died.
अथ तस्य पित्रा दुःखितेन अहं शप्तः यथा हे दुरात्मन् त्वया निरपराधः मत् सुतः दष्टः तत् अनेन दोषेण त्वं मण्डूकानां वाहनं भविष्यसि तत् प्रसादलब्धजीविकया च वर्तिष्यसे इति ततोऽहं युष्माकं वाहनार्थम् आगतः अस्मि.
Now, this is the fabrication, clever knitting of the story by this snake. Atha, then what happened? I gave a bite to that, mistaking it to be the frog. Generally it looks like that, underwater. Then tasya pitra, tasya brahmana sunoho pitra, tasya brahmana kumarasya pitra, by the father of that boy, dukkitena, he was so naturally dukkitena, aham sarpaha shaptaha, I was cursed by the angry father of that Brahmin boy. Yatha, like this, I was cursed like this. Duratman, you wicked snake, tvaya niraparadaha mat sutaha dastaha. Mat sutaha mama putraha niraparadaha tvaya dastaha. You have killed my blameless son for no reason. My son is been killed by you, my innocent son. Tad, so anena doshena, with this dosha, with this kind of mistake you have done, crime, tvam mandukanam vahanam bhavishyasi. You will become the vahana, vehicle for the frogs. Mandukanam vahanam bhavishyasi. Sarpa will become the vahana for the manduka. Imagine. Bhavishyasi. Tat prasada labda jivikaya. Tat prasada labda jivikaya. So when you become the vehicle of this, for the mandukas, mandukana vahanam bhavishyasi, tat prasada labda jivikaya, and you will get a jivika, livelihood, no doubt, Srinivas.
Yeah.
You will get a livelihood, no doubt. Tat prasada means tesham mandukanam prasada labda jivikaya, with the livelihood at the mercy, by the mercy of, by their mercy you will get the livelihood. by their permission, in other words. Tat prasada labda jivikaya cha only, na? Vartishyasi, you will live. Jivishyasi. You will, that means you will live at the mercy of the frogs only. If they allow you to eat, you will eat. Otherwise, you will carry them. You will become their vahana. Iti.
Yeah.
Tataha, therefore, aham yushmakam vahanartham. And that is why I have come for carrying you all. Yushmakam vahanartham agataha asmi. I have come here. Therefore, I have come here to carry you to become, because I am a shapagrastha, no?
तेन च सर्वमण्डूकानाम् इदम्
Aveditam.
आवेदितम् ततस्तैः प्रहृष्टमनोभिः सर्वैरेव गत्वा जालपादनाम्नः दर्दुरराजस्य विज्ञप्तम् अथ असौ अपि परिवृतः अत्यद्भुतमिदमिति मन्यमानः ससम्भ्रमं ह्रद्रादुत्तीर्य मन्दविषस्य फणिनः फणाप्रदेशम् अधिरूढः
Okay.
शेषा अपि यथा ज्येष्ठं तत् पृष्ठोपरि समारुरुः
Samaruruhu. Lunglaka. Tena, then what happened? Tena sarva mandukanam aveditam. Tena mandukena. The manduka which asked the reason of this snake, tena mandukena. Sarva mandukanam idam aveditam. This was informed to all the other mandukas immediately. Tataha, then taihi prakrishta manovihi. Taihi mandukaihi, by those frogs. Prakrishta manovihi. They all became happy. Our enemy is going to become our carrier. Prakrishta manovihi sarvaireva, by all of them who became very happy. Gatva, they all in turn went. Gatva Jalapada namna. They had a king. Jalapada, look at the naming. Jalapada, cobwebbed, na? Webbed. Jalapada. How is the feet of these frogs? So that is literally given there. Jalapada namnaha dardura rajasya. Dardura means manduka rajasya. Jalapada namnaha manduka rajasya or dardura rajasya vignaptam. All of them in turn went and told this to their king by name Jalapada. Atha, then asau api, then the king also, asau api, mantri parivrutaha, being surrounded by the ministers, mantri parivruto atyadbhutam idamiti. Then he said, ati adbhutam iti. He said, it's so wonderful. What a great thing that a snake has been cursed and it has come to carry us. Atyadbhutam iti manyamanaha, thinking like this. Sasambramam, very hurriedly, Hradat Uttirya. Hradat, that Hadrat is there, that is a mistake there. Hradat Uttirya. So it very hurriedly, what happened? It came out of the pond. Hradat Uttirya. It came out of the pond. Manda Vishasya Paninaha Fana Pradesham Adhiroda. Immediately it came out of the pond, and then Manda Vishasya, that Krishna Sarpasya, Paninaha Pana Pradesham. It went and occupied, Srinivas, immediately it occupied, mounted the Pana, the hood of this snake. Snake himself declared, I am the servant.
Yeah.
So it immediately came and Pana Pradesham Adhiroda, it mounted on that. It jumped onto the mount, the Fana, the hood of the snake. And when the king himself took the position on the hood of the snake, Seshaha api, Seshaha Mandukaha api, Yatha Jestam. The remaining also, what do they do? So Yatha Jestam means older first, elderly first, then the younger ones, like that. Jestam Anusrutya. Yatha Jestam means Jestam Anusrutya. As per the seniority. Sorry. Yatha Jestam tat prusto pari sam Aruruhu. This is lung lakara.
Yeah.
Ruruhu. Aroha. The arohati is then verb. Arohati. Lung lakara. Seshaha api mandukaha yatha jeshtam tasya Krishna sarpasya prustasya upari prusto upari samaruruhu. They also mounted as per their seniority. But the main position was taken by the king on the hood. Kim?
Kim bahuna tadupari sthanam apraptavantah tasya anupadam dhavanti mandavishopi tesham तुष्ट्यर्थम अनेक प्रकारान् गति विशेषान् अदर्शयत् अथ जालपादः लब्ध तदंग संस्पर्श सुखस्थमाह.
Then he says, then the writer says, Kim bahuna, what more, what to say more? Tadupari. Tadupari means tasya upari. Tasya upari nama sarpasya upari. Krishna sarpasya mandavisha Krishna sarpasya upari. Sthanam apraptavantaha. Those frogs which could not get a place to sit on the snake. Sthanam apraptavantaha. Those who did not get a place. Tasya anupadam dhavanti. They were running behind him. They were chasing, they were going behind him. So those frogs which could not occupy a place on the snake, tasya sarpasya anupadam paschat anudhavanti, dhavanti. They were running. Mandavishaha api, the clever snake Mandavishaha api, also tesham mandukanam tustyartam santoshartam, for pleasing them, for their no, never it was the case that a snake came to carry the frogs, na. So Mandavishaha api tesham tustyartam aneka prakaran gati viseshan. The snake also, to please the frogs which were sitting on its head and the whole body, aneka vidhan, various types of gati viseshan movements it showed them. Gati viseshan adarshayat, it exhibited. It exhibited various types of movements in the water going there. Atha, then Jalapada. Yeah, you read that. What happened, Srinivas?
Yes, kindly go ahead.
Atha Jalapadaha, the frog king, Manduka Rajaha, Jalapadaha, Labdha Anga Samsparsha Sukaha. He got, that is why Mahavishnu, what is the bed of Mahavishnu? Sheshashayana.
Yeah.
So now that is why maybe the writer had in his mind that Jalapadaha Labdha Tad Anga Samsparsha Sukaha. Having got the pleasure of the touch of staying on the snake, tadanga samsparsha sukha, getting that happiness, tam, and then the king Jalapada became so happy, seated on the snake, the touch was so comfortable. Then he told like this. Aha.
Natatha karinayanam turagena rathena va narayanena navava yatha mandavishena me. So
the Jalapada, the king of the frogs, is so happy and expresses his happiness to the snake like Natata Karinayanam. It was Karina. Kari means Karin Shabda Srinivas.
Yeah.
Elephant. I never had an experience traveling on an elephant, Karinayanam. Turagena, nor I had any pleasure like this by riding on a Turaga, Ashvena. Karina Gajena, na Karinayanam, Gajenayanam, Turagena, Ashvena, Rathena, or by any chariot. I had neither the pleasure, I had not the pleasure like riding on you, oh Manda, what do you call Mandavisha, while traveling on an elephant back, on a horseback, on the chariot, Narayani, or by the yana, driven by men. Narayana means a vehicle carried by men. Palanquin, you can say. Men carry a palanquin. Narayanena Nava, what is that?
Yeah, Nava.
Nava. Or I had the pleasure like this by traveling Nava by a boat. Yatha, as Manda Vishayanami. As today I have the pleasure coming from Mandavisha, this snake. The snake ride is so beautiful. So let us say in modern terms, snake ride is so beautiful, so lovely. It is far better than elephant ride, horse ride, chariot ride, palanquin ride, or even boat ride.
So shall we stop here, sir?
Yeah, I can stop it.
Thank you, sir.
Shubham Bhuya.
Namaskara.